The mortal remains of Assam Rifle soldier and resident of Nongrum Hills in Shillong, Ra Boklang Nongrum, who passed away at Commandant Hospital in Lucknow on the 16th of October due to heat stroke while undergoing training, was laid to rest today at the Nongshiliang Catholic Cemetery amidst tearful mourners. A sizable number of people hailing from different parts of the state attended the funeral service held at his residence under strict adherence of health protocol issued by the government. The deceased is the cousin brother of Kargil War hero, late Captain Clifford Nongrum. Ra Boklang Nongrum joined army service as soldier. After his graduation, he was undergoing training for the officer's post of commandant. He was attacked by heat stroke during training when the scorching heat was hovering around 42 degrees Celsius.
Dari Mbak Freddy kepada penyiar Kenegara Pihak Pulau di Upara jadi kita dapat berapa pulau Nongrum di Juru di Padar dan kapal di sini. Nah yang ini nak mensiap jingsu kiat bak jingsu si bakrau bakum bukri ngimla mudut mah